Hi, this is Taya from WTI, and here I have Wise Owl Outfitters super comfortable and lightweight hammock. It's portable hammock and good for camping. Goes in super small space, so you can see. So what would you say? Let's go and try it out. But don't forget to take this with you when you go camping, because you do need it. Wherever there is trees to attach it. Oh yes, this is good. It's very easy to install, and after the use you just can put it right back into this pouch. It's such a good product to have for camping. It makes your camping experience better than that little foam mattress that many of us have experienced. I like this product, and that is my point of view.